Hello YouTube, today I will show you a new thing I designed and 3D printed. Let's go. So, the idea was to take a mixer like that, in which you normally screw on a bottle like that. Okay? Now, you get it. This thing you can put off, and yeah. And what I wanted to is a thing, let's put this away, where you can take this, and a bottle from True Fruit, we all know them, they are fantastic, and screw it on top of it. And yeah, therefore we need an adapter. So what I did, I printed an adapter. Let's go. So I went to Fusion and designed this and this. This is the main part. It's a screw thing on the outside, so you can just screw it on here. But the problem with this is it isn't tight, so you have to design an O-ring where you can put it on, and now it's absolutely tight. Yeah, it works. And if you've done that, you take your bottle here and focus, please. Hello, focus. However, then you take the bottle and screw it on here. And if you've done that, you can just put it in the mixer, and yeah, the blender, and then it works. So now I will show you the actual blending part of it. Enjoy. So I earlier forgot to tell you one thing. This is because I made a mistake, and rip off a thing of this pre-installed black thing, and yes, that was kind of dumb of me, but I did it. And now I had to put this to trigger this security button. Yes. However, you put this, you don't have to do this because I just broke it on. Then you screw it together, tied it a little bit up so it won't leak. It don't leak. Then everything as ever. Shake it a little bit because yeah, it won't fall down. And then go for it. Yes. So you have your kiwi and banana thing. You can just screw it off now. You have to clean this very well. There. And then you can just enjoy it. Tasty. So I hope you enjoyed the video just as I enjoyed my drink, and yeah, cheers.